Start your day the right way. Here is how to make the creamiest, most delicious Tom Brown ever. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make this Tom Brown porridge the easiest way without lumps. And of course, a bowl of Tom Brown is all you need to kickstart your day. Let me show you how. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share, as I'll be dropping more awesome content on dailies. To my returning viewers, thank you for always. So all you need to do is to get your Tom Brown, get the desired quantity in a bowl, add cold water, then add the desired quantity of your Tom Brown into it. Dissolve until no lumps. The water gradually so it doesn't get too watery and too thick at the same time. Mix it until the consistency looks this way. Next thing is to get your pot. I usually use a very small pot, or you can use a small stainless bowl to do this. Add the water, allow it to boil. Once the water comes to a boiling point, you then go in with your already dissolved Tom Brown. Okay, so myself, I'll add the entire dissolved Tom Brown all at once, but you can as well add gradually and then continue to stir. I emphasize on stirring because if you don't, the Tom Brown will turn into lumps, which will not be interesting for anyone to eat. Okay, and also make sure you do this stirring on a very low heat. On a low heat because you need this Tom Brown to be well cooked. If it's not well cooked, the taste of all the grains will be noticed when you serve this Tom Brown. But if it's well cooked, the color will turn this way, and you too yourself will know that you really made the perfect bowl of Tom Brown by the thickness and the color when it's properly cooked. If you are watching this video up to this time, thank you very much, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment, like and share this video for your loved ones to also know how to make the perfect bowl of Tom Brown. Guys, at this point our bowl of Tom Brown is perfectly made. This Tom Brown is a very healthy meal for both kids and adults. So next thing is to serve your Tom Brown with any sweetener of your choice. You can add either evaporated milk or just your powdered milk or even condensed milk. In this video, I served my kids with condensed milk just because it's very sweet, and you know kids and sweet things. So guys, you can enjoy it with anything you want. You can add your chocolate or without your chocolate. So go ahead and serve and make sure your kids enjoy this. Also, for you to know how to process this Tom Brown from scratch to finish, you will see it in this video up here. Please don't forget to give it a view, watch and learn how to process the Tom Brown itself. Okay, that will also be appreciated, and I'm sure you drop your comments. Tell me, would you be trying this pattern of Tom Brown making? And please know I love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.